guys, YT Gaming Pro here, back in another video, and today I'm being joined by my brother.
WD here, bud.
And today we just let our two cockatiels out in our new house, and
Pineapple?
we just wanted to see
the
how
one
they
that's like
react.
biting me right now, and then this is coconut, the gray one.
So we only have 5 minutes to do this, so I thought we should record it. And Pineapple's going to sleep.
Oh, no, going to sleep. You're out. Actually, you know what? You go to sleep. I'll pick you up like.
So what happened right before this is that this
Coconut fell.
This thing
Collapsed.
collapsed. This thing collapsed and they both fell, and Pineapple and Coconut's wing got a little hurt. So we thought
See
we
that
should,
one right there? See,
Yeah.
like there's a little feather sticking out.
So we
And
thought we
that's
should let them out for a little bit so that they can get their wings like all fixed.
I right now fixed coconut's wings.
Calm down, don't get mad. Hold on, let's see how she reacts to the camera, because in my last video she was like crazy with the camera.
Get it closer. Get it closer.
Hi.
Oh, coconut will do something. She's going. Ah!
Coconut runs. Okay.
He's a boy. He's a boy. He's a boy.
He's a gender. His gender is boy, and she's a girl.
My little coconut.
No, don't do it. Oh my god.
She's my queen.
The thing is that Coconut's trying to protect her, but it doesn't seem like it's working.
Let coconut be your friend.
No, leave them. Just leave them for fun.
Why do you never let me? Do you want me to ruin your video?
Whoa, no.
Then let me.
Okay, fine. Mr. Blackmailing.
He's the bitey one. Right there. Boom, 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 boom. Right, the bitey one. I'm so close to him right now.
This is what he does all the time. Party.
But I think he's a little bit calmed down. Just,
You guys, sorry about me tilting the camera. I'm just trying to find the right angle for this to like happen.
You should probably just tilt it like vertical.
Hi.
Not
This
horizontal.
one is always
Beautiful.
First of all, she has that weird thing by her beak. And we have
Quipa!
these guys. And what are you doing, Angel? For real, God.
Angel,
what
you
are you doing?
What are you doing?
I know you're trying to find food, but you don't take it right.
But you don't step on it and eat it.
And these are my little patient sleeping birdies. I think we just woke them up.
Yeah, they were sleeping. The green one is Den Jr., because the real Den ran away, but he's not dead. He's not dead, but I have a feeling he is. I mean, they live in Alaska. They should be in Alaska, but not a wild parrot. Not wild. It's tamed. It ran away, and it is my. Guess whose fault it is? It's like a mix to my
Shut up, yeah.
brother's fault.
It's not.
My dad's.
Oh my god, these guys are so scared. I don't know why. Guys, do you guys have any comment down below if you have any tips for us to take care of these birds, because we have absolutely no idea.
But we're doing pretty good with all the information we know.
We're not. They're scared, especially
Hold
this
on.
one wants to bite my finger off. I get your point, little angel. I get your point, Mr. Screamy. Shut up. Okay, that's not how you treat a bird, my bad. Calm down.
Shish kebab.
Hi. No, you don't. Okay, not you. Okay, don't reach in my camera, please. It's a new phone. We need to respect the camera.
He's on me. Where do you think you're going? Okay, you're going to your food. No, go to your cage.
We're just wandering. We can't let them out of this confined space because we don't want them to hit the chandeliers.
Here, let me show them.
We don't want them to hit the chandelier because
There's chandeliers everywhere.
your brother already ruined it, but whatever. Mr. Heidi fella?
Hello. Hello. Who's my girl? Who's my big girl? Oh. She's the cocktail queen. It's the cocktail queen.
Let's see how he seriously should react.
If any of you are newcomers and are, I don't know.
You say newcomers?
Newcomers. Well, if anyone has a cocktail or any bird, look at my bird.
Actually,
Text me. I'm just kidding. Don't text
these
me.
guys, when we bought these guys,
They were much entertained.
These guys were 1 year old. These guys are 1 year old, and they're like.
And now they're 2 now.
They're like 1
New
feet.
Year after the New Year.
Oh yeah, Happy New Year, guys. Mention it.
Happy New Year. Oh my goodness.
Where are you going?
Where are you going, Karen?
Where are you going?
Are you?
And also, guys, my
You
barber
see
messed
me?
up, so.
You see me?
Uh-uh.
Oh my goodness.
Mr. Savage, what are you doing?
Watch this. I want to show you something.
His nickname right now is Mr. Rage.
Mr. Rage.
Hi.
Oh, no. Why are you punching coconut?
No,
I'm going to pull your tail.
No. Okay, okay, now they're trying to find food. Poor things.
No. They're trying to get space. Get out of this space. Here, I'm going to take them to this area.
You should feed them a bit. You should feed them a
We
bit.
can let them over there. So,
Okay.
here, I'll
Let's get them into a more open area.
give me the glove. We use gloves for
Coconut because he's very.
yeah, he's feisty. And his bite, I once got a bite right here from him, but it's healed. But it's if you like press this, press this spot,
Where are you?
like right here.
Right here.
It's like ow. It like stings. It burns. Not burns. He doesn't have fire powers. He has fire powers.
Like once
where's
he
the
made
glove?
me bleed.
Yeah.
You go get the gloves.
I'll go get the glove.
Right. So let me spend some time with them. Hi. What are you guys doing? You already have food. These guys never eat their food. It looks like they ate it all, but deep down, there's like another layer. But like all they did is filled it with poop and shells. So bad birdie. Bad. Anyway. Ah! Oh, no, you broke my tail. Sometimes I get very crazy with them when I get like very mad. Oh my god, they're so confined. I think we did this. Alright.
Come here, buddy.
Look who found his way up.
Come here.
Oh my.
There you go. I'm breaking
Oh
pineapple.
no. You can't have them on high ground or else they'll get freaked out. There you go. Now don't
You
go
gotta
into
end it
the
off.
bathroom.
It's time to eat.
Oh, alright guys.
It's
Alright guys, I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe, and if you want to see more, please leave a like, and also go check out my brother's channel, SansGaming.
I'm a glove-matic.
And so these are my birds. And
Say bye.
Bye.
Oh,
Bye.
he just said bye. Now you gotta say bye. Say bye. There you go. He said bye.
Okay, that's a bye. Alright, bye-bye guys.